What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of RCX Kicks. If you're new here, please make sure you stop, like, and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the bell so that you're the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. Getting into this video, this is going to be about today's release of the UNC 3. These released today at 10 o'clock at all retail stores. They retail for $190, so it came out to about $205 total. So as you guys can see, we have our Air Jordan 3s out of the box still. We're going to put them to the side for right now and get into the box. So getting into the box, this is our traditional Air Jordan 3 box, but this box has the UNC blue instead of the regular black, and it has the elephant print all around the sides as it usually does. So this pair specifically is the 9.5 at a retail of $190. This is the white Valor Blue Tech Gray colorway. This is the Air Jordan 3. And we have our white Jumpman on the front. We now have the shoe. Getting into the shoe, we have our white tumble leather all throughout the shoe, which is actually really good. We have our elephant print on the toe of the shoe, and we have it on the heel. We have our white and UNC blue midsole all around the shoe. And we have our gray, black with the UNC blue. It says Jordan. Now getting into the tongue of this shoe does not feature our regular NC symbol. It actually has the blue Jordan Jumpman, and I actually think they did a really good job with it. It actually sticks out in a way, if you can see that. It actually sticks out, which is really nice. And then here we have a navy blue. This was looked at to be black, but it is actually navy blue, which I did not realize until I kept doing some research on it. First off, looking at the back of this shoe, we have our Jordan Jumpman with our Air. This is actually navy blue, that is not black. Again, we have our white lining, and then on the inside we have a tag that reads "Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever." And on the back of our tongues, we actually have some wording. On one side we have heart, on the other side we have soul, and basically you can get the heart and soul of this shoe, basically what it's saying. And then we have our shoe trees on the inside that we normally have. So after looking at this shoe overall, I think this shoe is actually really good. I think Jordan did a great job with this shoe. All the materials on this shoe is actually great. The leather is actually really good. They definitely have improved over the years, and I want to say getting this shoe was not the easiest. I thought it was going to be really easy, being a first come first serve, but once I got to the mall to pick them up, it was actually lines all the way out of the door at finish line, and at next it was just people outside waiting, so I just jumped the line, of course. But I almost did not get these. I actually got the last 9.5, and then I got the last 11 for a friend of mine. That being said, we're gonna get ready to finish this up, so be looking out for our Onfoot right after this, and make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also let me know if you guys caught an L or a W today when you pick these up.